All right, so putting the signature in Outlook on Mac is going to be a little more difficult than on Windows. So the HTML file that I shared with you guys, you're going to go ahead and right click it on Mac, open with, we're going to open it with Google Chrome. Just take a sec for that to open up. And then we're going to go and do Control A on this, and then, Command A, Command C, just select all of it essentially, and then copy it to your clipboard. And then you're going to move over to Outlook, and on here you're going to pretty much do the same thing. We're going to go up to Outlook, Preferences, and you're going to go to Signatures, and you're going to want to add a new one, and then you can name it in a second. I'm not sure why this is in the way. You're going to do Command A or select all just to get rid of this, and then we're going to copy it in there, and you should see it copy in there with the formatting. And then you can go ahead and change the name from here. So throw your name in. You can change your number as well, or add a number. And make this bold. And then you're going to save it with Command S. Go ahead and close that out. Bring this back over. I would probably rename this. You can rename it here. Canary new message. You're going to save and then close that again. And so this, you can make sure you're set to the right email that you want it to be, and you can go Canary new message. And then you're going to want to do the same for the reply. So we're going to do here, open with Google Chrome, Command A, Command C, do another new one, name it Canary reply, Command A, and then Command V again. You can change your name and your number as well. And you're going to save it, close it, replies, set that there. And you should be good. That's it. Cool. Thanks.